class, today's lesson will be about division. Now, what does division mean exactly? Well, division, as well as divisible by, simply means when you divide one number by another number to result in a whole number. Now we're going to show a couple of examples to make that clearer. Would you mind writing out the first example, Amanda?
Don't mind if I do. Our first example is 14 divided by 7. Does anyone know what 14 divided by 7 equals? No one? Well, it's very simple. 7 can go into 14 twice, so that equals 2 exactly.
Now we will move on to divisibility rules. We'll start with the number 2. Now for this rule, we will find other numbers that are divisible by 2 without having to do too much work. So, for the rule for 2, we will find any number that is an even number will be divisible by 2. Now, how do we know when a number is even, Amanda?
Well, if it is a 0, it is even, a 2, a 4, 6, or an 8.
So any number that ends in these digits is divisible by 2.
Go.
Now we'll move on to the rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 when the last digit is either a 0 or a 5. Let's give an example of this. So, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now, how do we know that it's 2? We know that it's 2 because 5 goes into the number 10 2 times. Now we'll move on to the divisibility rule for the number 9. A number is divisible by 9 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. That simply means when we add the numbers together, they'll be divisible by 9. A good example of that is the number 18. When we add the digits 1 and 8 from 18, we get the number 9. And 9 is divisible by 9. Which means that 18 is divisible by 9. Thanks for watching this week's segment on division. We hope that you understand it a little better now. Have a great day.